Club Discipuli. You're here with the online facilitator and coach, Coach K. Today we'll be taking in question 1.1.3 together. Let's break it down step by step. So get your notes ready. Let's solve this problem.
Right. So now we will deal with this one over here, right? So let's just get on it. Right. So what we have here, we have an inequality. Okay. Okay. So what's the first thing that we're going to do here? So the first thing that we'll do here is to take the square root of both sides, right? So yeah, so you're going to take the square root of both sides. And now we're going to have x minus 2. Now there's no longer, and it's no longer squared now, right? Because we took the square roots or square root on both sides. And also the square root of 1 is 1 still, right? Okay, so this is what we have now. Okay. Okay, since we are taking the square root of an inequality, we need to consider two cases. Remember, when you take a square root of a number, either it's going to give you a positive or a negative. For example, if I have here x squared and then equals to 9, if I have a square root on both sides, I'm going to have x, so this 2 is going to disappear. I'm going to have this and have 3, right? Square root of 9 is 3, but it's going to be plus or minus 3, okay? So here's the sense. So you're going to have two cases, of course. Case 1, it's either x equals to 3, and case 2, it's just x is equals to negative 3, all right? Okay. Let me just scratch this. It was just for demonstration, right? So, okay, let's go back here, right? So now we have here plus or minus, right? So here's our first case. Start with case 1, right? Okay, we just do this. So it's gonna be x minus 2, right? And 1. So x minus 2 is greater or equals to 1. This is what this inequality means, right? So now we have case 2 here, right? Whereby you will have x minus 2, right? So and negative 1, remember. So now is x minus 2 is less than or equals to negative 1, all right? Okay. So now we need to solve for x in each case, right? Okay, let's start with case 1. Okay, so we have here case 1. Okay, so this is our case 1. So we have x minus 2 is equals to 1, right? Okay, can I just, yeah, because of space. Okay, now we're going to transpose or just add 2 on both sides. Okay, let's just transpose this 2. So I'm going to take this 2 to another side. And now we have, remember, the sign will change. We have 1 plus 2. Okay, so we have x. Sorry, I was supposed to. Well, it's an inequality. It's an inequality. So it's equals to 3. All right. So case 2 we'll have, let's put this one here. So case 2 is x minus 2 less than 1 here, right? Okay. So now we have to add 2 on both sides. or just transpose this 2 on the other side. So we have x, this is less than or equals to 1 plus 2. All right. So, okay, minus 1 plus 2, which is x, is less than or equals to 1. Okay, so we have these two values here. So just do this. All right. So what we have here ended up with x is less than or equals to 1, right? Or x is greater and equals to 3, right? Yeah, so that's how we solve it. So, but then this means that any value of x that is less than or equals to 1 or greater than or equals to 3 will satisfy this inequality. All right. So yeah. Thank you. Done.